What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you our top 25 Halloween magic pranks of all time. We've been doing magic Halloween pranks on YouTube for over 6 years now. Every year we have a new Halloween special, and if you haven't seen this year's Halloween special, be sure to check out the link in the description. Without further ado, let's get into our top 25. In no particular order, coming in at number 25 from our very first episode way back in 2015, this is the Magic Moving Candy Bowl. Check it out. Also from our very first Halloween special back in 2015, this is the Moving Dummy Prank. Coming in at number 23 from our 2016 Halloween special, this is the Magic Appearing Ghost Prank. Someone goes to hand you some candy in your bucket, and boom, a ghost flies out and scares them. Coming in at number 22, this is a great one that I got my mom with back in 2016. This is the Donut Prank.
It's not a decoration for Halloween, it's real?
These next 6 are from our 2017 Halloween special. First up is the Ghost Baby. Check it out.
Oh. No.
For this next one, Veronica actually got me really good. This next one is the definition of creepy.
What's the matter?
I'm so sick of Halloween.
Another classic from our 2017 special, this is the Fake Tongue Prank.
I have a cool trick to show you with my tongue. Check it out.
Another classic from 2017, this is the Hand from the Candy.
Want some candy?
And last but not least from the 2017 Halloween special is the Frozen Candy Prank. I think I got Ava with that one pretty good.
Trick or treat.
Oh, would you like some candy?
What?
Also in 2017 was the Halloween Puppy Prank, where I gave out puppies to kids for Halloween trick-or-treat.
I have a puppy! You guys want a puppy? Yeah, here. Put it down in your candy bag. Here. Go show it to your mom.
Next up from our 2018 Halloween special, the Magic Ouija Board Prank. This is probably the most epic Halloween prank on the list, but it's not coming in at the number 1 spot because these are random and out of order, but it's definitely my favorite. Veronica freaked out.
Nope. Evan.
What?
I cannot touch that. It says goodbye. You're insane.
We're just gonna play with it and see what happens. It's moving.
Also from 2018, the Cut in Half Finger Prank. Check it out.
Watch, all I do is take my finger like this, and if I just snap, my finger will actually magically cut in half.
Oh no. That's freaky.
Also might mention that you can see the full version of all of these videos in their respective full episodes. The full Halloween special of each year is available at this link right up here, or go to the playlist on the channel to see the full versions of these and learn how to do them yourself. These next 4 are also from our 2018 Halloween special. Check them out. Snake!
Why did you get? Oh my god, I'm scared to...
forward to 2019, this is the magic head drop prank. Check this out. Watch my head. 1, 2, 3. And it just falls down into my hand. And then 1, 2, 3. And go right back up. And coming in at number 5 on our list from our 2019 Halloween special of How To Magic is the magic spider prank. Check it out. Also from last year's special in 2019 is the endless candy bucket. Take a look.
2 candy buckets. Your candy bucket is empty. I have some candy in mine already. Take your bucket and sit it on the ground right there. Hold it right there.
Okay. Yeah. Whoa! Look at all this candy! I love this too. Yes. This is all mine then, right?
Coming in at number 3 on our list of Halloween pranks is the raw ground beef prank. Check it out.
So we're just gonna open up our ground beef here.
Okay.
Did you know that you can eat ground beef raw?
Wait, no, Dad! Dad, don't stop! Dad, stop! You're not...
Good.
No, Dad! No!
Coming in at number 2 on our list from our 2019 Halloween special of How To Magic is the cell phone spider scare.
Like that. Now I'm gonna set my phone on your hand.
Oh, okay.
And look, if you hold it up so the camera can see, don't freak out. It's just a little video on the screen, okay?
Yeah.
It's not real. Keep that in mind. But check this out. So we're gonna see if we can make it real.
No.
No?
Don't do that.
Watch. If you just snap
No.
like that, look on your hand.
Okay.
Turn it over.
And number 1 on our list, again, this is in no particular order, from last year, 2019's Halloween special, The Exploding Pumpkin. Check it out. So I'm going to try to carve the pumpkin using my mind.
Ooh, okay.
You ready?
Yes.
Watch. 1, 2, 3.
What? How did you do that?
Thank you for tuning in, and if you want to see the full versions of these, be sure to check out the link right up here to watch all of our Halloween specials. These are some of my favorite videos to make, and you can even watch us spend 24 hours in a haunted magic shop. Be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com. We have a new product launching every Friday until Christmas. New merch drop every Friday with every new episode of How To Magic. Starting today, there is a new Halloween trick, the Magic Moving Skeleton Prank, available now at EvanEraTV.com. Go check it out and order now. We're gonna go quick. EvanEraTV.com. EvanEraTV.com. That is EvanEraTV.com. Link is in the description. Thank you guys for all your support. And again, if you haven't seen this year's episodes of Halloween pranks, there are 2 of them. Go check them out. And stay tuned for more episodes of How To Magic coming soon. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. Happy Halloween.